welcome back to my channel. If you are ready to learn some English, then watch this video. My name is Rebecca and I teach English using a method called Comprehensible Input. So with this method, you don't need translations of your own language or subtitles. You just listen and learn English naturally. So this means that I use a lot of visuals, a lot of gestures, and I go into the real world and you learn English with me just the way that a child learns their mother tongue, okay? So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to the beach. Today is the 1st of May, and in most countries here in Europe, especially in Ireland and Spain, we have a bank holiday on the 1st of May. So there's no school today, so that means everyone is going to the beach, everyone is with their family. Let me know if you have the day off on the 1st of May or a bank holiday. We call it a bank holiday on the 1st of May. And I know also this weekend there is the Cinco de Mayo, so the 5th of May, where people in Mexico celebrate. So on Monday, let me know if you're doing anything for the Cinco de Mayo. We will probably have tacos. My favorite food is tacos, so any excuse to eat tacos, I will try them. I had the best tacos in Malaga last week. Here's a picture of my tacos. They were so delicious. But anyway, let's get started on today's video. So before we go to the beach, we have to pack our bag. So this is my bag, my beach bag, because it's waterproof, and it's got lots of flowers on my bag. So what do we need for the beach? So right now it's empty bag. Let's fill my bag. So I think the first thing, because I'm going to go swimming, is my towel. So this is a beach towel. I'm going to fold my beach towel. So this is red, white and yellow beach towel. It's going in my bag. Next, my swimming suit. Swimming suits, I'm also wearing some of it. And this is a swimming t-shirt because I need to protect my skin. So swimming suit. And with protecting my skin, most important thing, sun cream, and this is factor 50 plus, because I have very pale skin, white skin, so that means I burn very quickly. I burn like this apple red, so I need sun cream. And then also to protect my shoulders, I wear a swimming t-shirt to protect my shoulders. So very important. Let me know, what factor do you wear? I wear factor 50, and I'm going to spray when I get to the beach in my bag. Important. Also on a hot day, next most important thing, water. This is my water bottle, so it's metal. So it keeps my water cold water on the beach. Another thing to keep cool, my fan. If it gets too hot, I can air myself with the fan. So my fan has lots of flowers and it's red. And I bought that in Spain, so if I get too hot. Another thing that I like to bring to the beach are card games. So this is my favorite game, Monopoly Deal. So it's kind of like Monopoly, but it's like a card game, Monopoly, and it's so fun. So you have to collect properties. Love Monopoly. And then my wacky woolly cards, so my playing cards, just normal playing cards where you can play Snap and things like that. Keys, so these are house keys. And then this is my keyring. How cute is that keyring? What do you think that is? I bought that in Malaga. It's a frog. How cute is that little frog? And then I also have, for my car keys, I bought a, do you know what that is? A fox. A fox for my car keys. So I have a fox and a frog and a little pom-pom. So cute. In the bag, of course, sunglasses to protect my eyes on my head. Next, most important thing, to go to the beach for the day, you need a picnic. Food, okay? So I just bought, this is my favorite picnic food, bread. And you know I love bread. If you watch my bread video, here's my bread video. It's fresh. I just bought it in the shop and it's very fresh. It's still warm bread. And that is going in my bag. Bananas, stay healthy, need to give you energy. Bananas give you lots of energy. So I always have a banana to give me energy. Apple for fiber, and some crisps. So just a little snack, crisps. These are my favorite crisps. Clásicas is just oil and salt. Here in Ireland, the UK, Europe, we use the word crisps. And they're very crunchy. In America, they call them chips. We call these chips, you call them fries, chips, but these are crisps. These are chips. And the last thing in my bag is a plastic bag for my wet clothes. When they get wet, I put them in a plastic bag. So I'm ready to go with my bag. I'm going to zip up my bag, close my bag. So my bag is now full and I'm ready to go to the beach. So come to the beach with me. Let's drive. It only takes 10 minutes to drive to the beach. So I'm going to drive for 10 minutes and I'll see you there. So I have just arrived at the beach. We're at the beach now and we've got the towels set up. We have sand here, the sand, and the ocean. And it's very wavy today. There are a lot of waves. And today's weather, I always like to talk about the weather because I think, it's very normal to talk about the weather with small talk. So the weather today is sunny. There's blue skies and a few clouds. It's a little bit windy, but not that much, not too windy. But there's no rain and it's very hot. It's 24 degrees. So first of all, I'm going to lie down and do a bit of relaxing in the sun. Then we'll go a bit closer to the sea. It's so beautiful. There's the foam. There are very big waves. You can see there's big ships. One ship, two ships. Let's paddle. We are going to have our picnic now. We're going to enjoy our picnic, the bread, bananas and crisps and water. And I'm going to read my book. So at the minute I'm reading Black Beauty. It's all about horses. It's quite an old book and it's actually quite a sad book. It's quite sad. It's about how people used to treat horses not very well back whenever they used them for transport and for work. Now we have cars, of course. And I'm going to read that. Also, I love horses. I love horse riding. This was me horse riding last week on the beach, and we galloped and it was so much fun. It was so exciting going horse riding. They are going horse riding. Horse riding on the beach. There are 4 horses. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and thank you for coming to the beach with me. I hope you learned lots of English on the beach. If you would like to learn more English with me, I do have a comprehensible input course which can help you learn. So my course is €27 and you get 10 videos, and this course is got a lot more structure. There's a fun and interesting way to learn English in a structured way. So here's my comprehensible input course. I also teach private one-to-one lessons, so if you'd like to book a lesson with me, you can also book a lesson with me here. And thank you so much, and I'll see you later. In the comments below, let me know what you did this weekend. If you went to the beach, if the weather was good, if you are working, let me know.